Hi, I'm Tara Venn, registered dietitian and nutritionist, and today I'm going to talk about the best foods for managing diabetes. But before I do, click subscribe to make sure you're getting the latest nutrition content from Healthline. Number 1, fatty fish. Some people consider fatty fish to be one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Salmon, sardines, herring, anchovies, and mackerel are great sources of the omega-3 fatty acids, DHA, and EPA. Getting enough of these fats on a regular basis is especially important for people with diabetes, who are at increased risk for heart disease and stroke. Studies show that eating fatty fish may also help regulate your blood sugar. A study in 68 adults with overweight found that participants who consumed fatty fish had significant improvements in post-meal blood sugar levels compared with participants who consumed lean fish. Another thing you can do is try avocados. Avocados have few carbohydrates, a high fiber content, healthy fats, and less than 1 gram of sugar, so you don't have to worry about them raising your blood sugar levels. Not only that, but eating avocados is also associated with improved overall diet quality and significantly lower body weight and body mass index. This makes them an ideal snack for people with diabetes. Also, avocados may have properties specific to preventing type 2 diabetes. A 2019 animal study concluded that a fat molecule found only in avocados could inhibit incomplete oxidation, which reduced insulin resistance. Now, this study was done in mice, not humans, so more research is definitely needed, but all these positive findings definitely make me want to eat some guacamole. Up next, Greek yogurt. Some research suggests that eating certain dairy products like yogurt may improve blood sugar management and reduce heart disease risk factors, perhaps partly due to the probiotics and the high protein content. Studies also indicate that yogurt consumption may be associated with lower levels of blood glucose and insulin resistance. Additionally, yogurt may reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A long-term study involving health data from over 100,000 participants found that a daily serving of yogurt was linked to an 18% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. What's more, Greek yogurt contains only 6 to 8 grams of carbs per serving, which is lower than conventional yogurt. That said, always make sure you pick an unsweetened variety. You can add some nuts, berries, or granola to add extra crunch and sweetness. If you're craving something sweet, strawberries. Strawberries are low-sugar fruits that have strong anti-inflammatory properties and may help improve insulin resistance. This is important because low insulin sensitivity can cause blood sugar levels to become too high. Strawberries are also high in antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which actually give them their bright red color. Anthocyanins have been shown to reduce cholesterol and insulin levels after a meal in people with diabetes. A 1-cup serving of strawberries contains about 46 calories and 11 grams of carbs, 3 of which are fiber. This same serving also provides more than 100% of your daily intake of vitamin C, which provides additional anti-inflammatory benefits for heart health. Try adding these strawberries to that Greek yogurt for an extra nutritious treat. Last but not least, chia seeds are a wonderful food for people with diabetes. They're extremely high in fiber, yet low in digestible carbs. To be exact, 11 of the 12 grams of carbs in a 1-ounce serving of chia seeds are fiber, which doesn't raise blood sugar. In fact, the viscous fiber in chia seeds can actually lower your blood sugar levels by slowing down the rate at which food moves through your gut. That same fiber may also reduce hunger and make you feel full longer. A study involving 77 adults with obesity or overweight and diagnosed with type 2 diabetes found that chia seed consumption supported weight loss and helped manage blood sugar control. Additionally, chia seeds have been shown to help reduce blood pressure and inflammatory markers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped give you some ideas for foods that are good for managing diabetes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit subscribe for more episodes of Food Fix.